Bro, is it against the rules to move stuff on your head, bro?
Okay, what's your name?
Stop.
Who is your favorite chair?
Abby.
Your favorite chair?
I am my own favorite chair.
Generally, people will say other. Oh my! Hey Frank. All good. This is Frank.
How are you doing, Frank?
I'm a little tired. I've been sleeping pretty late these days.
Classic. It's gonna be later tonight, by the way.
I mean, as long as it's not like 4 a.m.
Is this on?
Oh, it will be.
It
Yeah.
will be 4 a.m.
This is our president.
Everyone say Miss President.
So Frank, what brought you to booth?
Katie Lee asked me to do it, and I said yes.
Rip Samarth.
I'm very suggestive.
Okay. What is your favorite part about booth?
That I get to lift things. It's a good workout.
Nice, nice. And who's your favorite chair?
I literally only know Katie, so like.
I'm a chair.
My man's making it 0 low.
I got one.
Justin, you're my favorite chair. You have to watch everything. You should edit it with a meow.
Tell Eugene, I'm not editing. All right, this guy, first time all year showing up to booth,
What?
was supposed to be a stool.
I don't think I was supposed to be a stool.
I think you were.
you're gaslighting me.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Where's Vec?
Where's Vec? He's probably playing Valorant, dude. He's reading on, I don't know, securities.
So,
What do you want from us?
what brought you to booth? This is a freshman stool.
I wanted to be part of something fun, a CMU tradition, and work with people on building a house in like a few months. So yeah. That was terrible. You know what I brought?
Who's your favorite chair? I'm a
There is no right answer. I love all.
No, everyone has given one name.
One name. Favorite chair. I like them all. I'm decisive.
Incorrect. I think the high answer right now. Oh, wait, say that again. Say it again.
No, I already said. About a mic. Okay, Jubin, who's your
It's like a karaoke
Okay,
mic.
Jubin, who's your favorite chair? I'm being done. So many people. Jubin, can I be your first lady? I also brought. Who's your favorite chair?
I'm totally impartial between every chair.
Are you kidding? We're literally married on the family tree. I acknowledge it.
Some family drama.
Rita.
I don't know.
We're both
I don't know.
siblings.
I don't know who asked for that.
Husband and wife.
I don't know. What is that? Whoa!
I have a really important question for you. Who's your favorite chair? I was already asked this question. Well, you have to answer it again.
Off camera, she said it was me.
No way!
I was threatened.
This is a future chair, by the way. Right? Hi to the vlog. These are super old people. They're like at least 30.
Back pain, knee pain.
All right, let's get some walls.
This is the usefulness. Hold the door.
Yeah, this guy is nail holder, salsa eater. That's about it. Hi to the vlog.
Wow.
Vincent carrying an entire panel himself. Wow. Keep the bald spot though.
Okay.
Wait, Eugene, get that on footage. Are you good, like traffic cone?
What?
You're a good traffic cone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Eugene, should I?
So big over there.
Bruh.
Is it strong?
Yeah, I know, it's light work. You two clowns better not both carry one. Our star traffic cone. Oh no, I'm getting passed by Frank. Whoa. Whoa.
Dude,
Dude, he's doing it too.
every person on class has told me, why did you have two? Shut the fuck up.
This is it now? Yeah. Okay. Sheesh. Kind of big. Oh, also kind of big. There's two left, so. What?
Is there damage?
No, you're good. You're good.
Hold it!
It's a square.
Hold it! Yeah, but I'm trying to find the square.
This is a three-person job.
Apparently. I don't know what to do.
This is a one-person job.
There's no chance that's simple.
You can't solve this?
You should write like equals an incorrect answer and see if anyone points it out.
Hello.
Not you, not you. Oh, this stuff.
Leon, say hi to the vlog.
Oh shit, what's up?
Say hello, hello. What?
What's that guy grabbing?
Well, I'm in the chat too. Kind of sus though.
Bro, he's got a good grip too.
Are you excited to be back? Oh, floor panels are a thing, yeah. Yeah. We didn't actually check this. It's the same floor for 4 years, so. Wait, there's another floor, no, wall frame. I forgot I put that there.
Oh, I put it there.
Bro, this is heavy. Yes. It's a 2-person.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
I'm at Heinz College for a master's now.
Why are you so big?
It's all the gym sessions from skipping booth. This way?
Better.
This is your like alone time on the vlog. What do you want to say?
I really don't want to say anything. Let's walk in silence. Let's not make eye contact either.
I haven't been.
Stop.
What?
Are you doing okay?
Nope.
Yeah.
Trader over here. He's the TSA mole.
Let's just keep stacking them up.
Trader. Trader. You couldn't get your pledge, Ryan, to help ASA instead? Eric just getting his steps in over here?
My guy's leaving.
I'm leaving.
Oh no.
Goodbye.
Oh no.
This is the last time I'll see you this semester.
That's not true.
Probably.
That is not. You'll see me when I walk on the stage for graduation. How's it going?
Oh boy, we're doing it.
Yep. Say hi to the vlog.
Oh yeah? That's pretty nice.
I don't know. Another round of silence and you making eye contact with the camera?
I won't be looking. I'll be looking straight down this time.
All right, so there's an hour and a half of footage right now and maybe like 2 minutes of usable footage.
No way.
I think if you cut out all the bad parts, we'd be at 5 minutes max. Yeah, because leveling is just gonna be us yelling at each other, be like, what's higher?
Is it gonna be like the fisheye?
I'm not sure. It is wide angle though.
Where are the old floor panels that are fitted for the smaller frames? I don't know where those are. Sure, check.
Is this one? Having fun? Former ASA president over here.
It's so tired. It's like a nasty form of the
Which ones are dry? This one? Okay. No. The answer is it's not dry.
Check the other spot though, on the bottom.
Right here, you want me to touch in here? Oh, okay, okay. This part? I think it's good. Yeah.
I know her mom.
Yeah, actually.
I know your mom.
Guys, welcome back.
All right, welcome back to Huare just knowing everyone's mom.
Ware does not know. Hey, Ware does not know my mom. I want to make that clear. What's up, guys? We're back. ASC 2022. I'm here for some reason.
You should show your pull-up.
Wait, you know you're gonna come back every year.
Look at his
He's coming
pull-up.
back until he's 40.
Nice.
Open the door. Open the door.
No, you need a better grip. Go on the other side. No, other side. Buddy.
You got it?
Vlog footage, I guess? I don't know.
Yo! He's huge!
Welcome to my channel.
This is not going on your channel.
So welcome to Eugene's channel. Who knows whose channel?
No, this I heard Rachel is the one editing, so it's probably just like an ASA. I don't know.
Welcome to ASA's channel.
Did you know
Make sure
cut
to
together
like,
his own?
comment, subscribe.
We'll cut that out for the end. We'll snip it. Yeah. We basically end up with hours of useless footage. That's about it. Yeah, with the occasional good moment.
Some lady told us that. Yeah, fuck that.
Yo, it's on a vlog.